Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you have been asking how I create my YouTube thumbnails. So today I'm finally going to show you exactly how I create my thumbnails for free. Using Canva, thumbnails are a huge part of getting views on your videos. A well-designed thumbnail can really make a difference, helping your content stand out and attract more clicks. And Canva is a perfect place to create your thumbnails for free. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps I use to create professional-looking thumbnails with Canva. Let's dive right in and get started. Today, we will be recreating this particular thumbnail. Firstly, head over to your browser and search for canva.com. Then create an account. You will be presented with this interface. Then click on the search bar at the top and type in YouTube thumbnail and hit enter. Click on YouTube thumbnail and you'll be presented with hundreds of different templates designed specifically for YouTube thumbnails. These templates are great because they give you a solid foundation to start with, so you're not starting from scratch. Take your time to scroll through and really explore all the options. Once you find one that feels right for your channel or your video's vibe, click on it. Now the template will have pre-made elements like text, shapes, and images. You can easily get rid of anything you don't want. Just click on each element and hit delete until you're left with just the background or whatever pieces you want to keep. As you can see, our background is ready. Let's move to the next step. Now we need to generate the images we'll use for our thumbnail. But firstly, we're going to use ChatGPT to help us come up with the perfect prompts for the image generation. Simply head over to ChatGPT and ask it for prompts to create the type of image you're looking for, whether it's something specific, a character, or something abstract. As you can see, ChatGPT provides us with a list of creative and detailed prompts to help us generate the ideal images for our thumbnail. Easy, right? Now let's put those prompts to work and get those images ready. Copy the first prompt. Alright, now it's time to generate the images that will really make our thumbnail pop. And for that, we're going to use Ideogram. This tool is great for creating unique and high-quality visuals. Open your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to open up the image generation page. Now paste the prompt we generated from ChatGPT into the text box. You can adjust the image style and aspect ratio to match the exact look and feel you're aiming for, then click Generate. And now we just sit back for a moment while Ideogram does its thing. As you can see, our images have been generated. Take a close look at each one and download the ones that stand out to you. Repeat this same process to generate other images for our thumbnail. Now head back to Canva and uploading the images we generated using Ideogram. These will form the foundation of your design, so go ahead and add them to your background. Now to give the images some real depth and make them pop, we're going to add shadows. Select the first image, then scroll sideways through the options and click of effects. Click on shadows and choose glow. Now increase the shadow size to 30. Then reduce the blur completely. Increase the intensity completely. Then pick a color you think will complement your design and enhances the overall feel. Once you're happy with that, repeat the exact same process for the other image. With your images set and glowing, arrange them in the perfect position and place them where they will draw attention. Next, let's add a glow to the thumbnail face. Now it's time to add some text. This is one of the most important elements of your thumbnail as it will immediately communicate your message. Click on text, then type the title of your video or any other text that relates to the content. Change the letters to big letters. Adjust the text color if you want. You'll also want to change the font to something bold and eye-catching. Once you've styled your text, position it on the thumbnail where it's clearly visible but doesn't overshadow the images. To give your thumbnail even more polish, let's add a logo or some additional branding. Open up your browser and download any logo or icon you want to include. This could be your own logo or something relevant to the video content. Upload the logo to Canva, then resize it and add shadow to the logo. Reduce and position the logo where you want it to be. Feel free to add any other elements that you think will make your thumbnail stand out, whether it's additional shapes, icons, or background details. Just be mindful not to overload it. Thumbnails work best when they're clean and focused. Now that your thumbnail is looking professional, click on Export. Choose your preferred file format. PNG usually works best for thumbnails, and download it to your device. And there you have it. Your thumbnail is ready to grab attention and drive clicks. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section.